So next up, we've got the tibialis raises. So we're going to go through two options. The first one's a body weight option. And now it's often the forgotten leg muscle, quite neglected. So if you actually strengthen it, you can get a lot of return on your strength from the ground up. So the first one, we're going to use a dowel. You can also do this leaning against a wall. So essentially we're trying to get our toe to touch our kneecap. So our ability to dorsiflex under active tension, I suppose, so it's the opposite of plantar flexing. We're trying to actively pull our toes to our kneecap, and you should see this tibialis anterior muscle here goes rock solid and stabilizes everything from the ground up. So we want to try and develop some strength and also develop our conditioning or capacity to do that. So that's one variation there. And then you've got the seated variation where you can actually start to load it up. So you can use a kettlebell or you can tie a dumbbell and essentially sitting on a bench, and you're allowing your body weight to be pulled through here. So you're going to get a stretch through the tibialis anterior that way, and then you're actively trying to pull your toes to your kneecap again, and you're going to see that tibialis anterior shortening and obviously then contracting, so you can start to develop some strength. So work through about 10 reps at a time, and obviously the more load you put on there, the harder it's going to be.